Hey friends, if you encounter error code 0x8004e4a2, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. You get this error on OneDrive. So first of all, check the internet connection. Is it good enough? Because OneDrive functions through the internet. So open the browser and go to fast.com and check the internet speed here. Is it over 100 Mbps or something? If yes, then it's good enough. The next solution is to power cycle your router. Now, how would you power cycle your router? Switch off the modem, router, and computer. Then switch on the modem only and wait for the lights to be stable. After that, switch on the router only and wait for the lights to be stable. And finally, switch on the computer. The next solution is to disable VPN or proxy. So for third party VPN, you'll have to contact the vendor. But for proxy, the procedure is as follows. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked, and use the proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Then you have to reset OneDrive, and the best way to reset OneDrive these days is to simply hit WS reset, because OneDrive is a subset of the Microsoft Store. It has also been mentioned on the Microsoft support website, so I know that it works. Okay, so press the Windows key, R key together, type WS reset and hit enter. And finally, reset the network. This will reset all network parameters and it will definitely be helpful. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, and then click on reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.